Hi there, in this video we will show you how you can integrate Retable with Dokin to synchronize your Google Sheets with your Retable tables. After logging into your Dokin account, start by creating a new connection from your dashboard. To do this, click the Connect New Data button and select Retable from the pop-up window. When you choose Retable, you must enter your API key. You can access your API key from your Retable account overview. Don't forget to enable your Retable API key before adding it to Dokin. Then you must choose a destination to connect your data. You can select Google Sheets from the Destination Selection panel. Then, you can select an existing Google Sheet by clicking on the Open Existing File option. Don't forget to grant permission for Dokin to integrate with your Google Drive. Now select the Google Sheet with which you want to sync your Retable table. Then, select the Retable table you want to sync with your Google Sheet from the left panel of your Dokin dashboard. Start by selecting your workspace, then you can select your project and table. After connecting your tables, Dokin will show you a preview of your tables. You can make a quick check by comparing this preview with your original Retable table. After completing your checks, you can build your connection by clicking the Create New Connection button at the bottom of your Dokin panel. Once you create the connection, you will also see a preview of your Google Sheet. Now let's change some data in your Google Sheet to see how our Google Sheet and Retable table are synchronized. After changing your data, you should click the Write Data Back to Retable option on the right. Thus, the changes you make will be written to your Retable table. Before the process starts, you will see a preview of your changes. As you can see, all the changes we made are visible in the preview. Old versions are highlighted in red, and new versions are highlighted in green. If everything is okay, we can complete our synchronization. When your synchronization is completed, you will see a notification pop up on the right. Now let's go to our Retable table and check it. As you can see, the data is updated directly in our Retable table. Moreover, the data in our Select column type directly came in Select format. It's that easy to synchronize your Retable tables with your Google Sheets via Dokin. You can try it quickly by visiting Dokin's website.